practicing pediatrician and adolescent physician, director of Faith Clinic, Mumbai. I chose pediatrics as my specialization because I love children and I gel and vibe well with them. My field of interest in pediatrics is obesity. I deal with adolescent and childhood obesity. Prevalence of obesity in children and adolescents have increased worldwide over the years, and in India also it is very high, especially amongst the metros and even in the second tier cities. WHO had described obesity as a disease in 1998. I am also a core committee member of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics Task Force of Obesity, and it is the purpose of this task force to create knowledge and awareness of obesity amongst the general pediatrics and the general population at large. Obesity is a disease which affects, it's a multifactorial disease which affects all the organs of the bodies. Childhood obesity occurring from at a young age is very difficult to treat, but is also having a lot of lifestyle components into it. Obesity affects all the organs and the systems of the body, and if this starts at a very young age, it also results and carries over to adult obesity. And its various comorbidities including early onset diabetes, hypertension, coronary artery disease, PCOS, and the entire ramifications of obesity. Obesity as a disease is very difficult to treat, and there are many situations when people have given up trying to lose weight. The purpose of treating childhood and adolescent obesity is that we catch them early, treat them early, and prevent all the comorbidities of obesity which come in the younger age. We also deal with vaccination in children, especially obese children, because it is important that because of their immune system is very weak, that they get affected and that they should be covered up by vaccinations. Most of the cases of obesity which we see in childhood and adolescence are due to faulty lifestyle, and management of these cases starting from a young age can go a long way to prevent the epidemic of this disease. Obesity, as we see it, has now become a global problem, hence the term globesity. At Faith Clinic, we have a multi-sectorial approach in the treatment of obesity, treating with a physician who diagnoses and treats the patient, who identifies the cause of the disease, and then we have a counselor who deals with the psychological aspects of obesity if it is present, along with a registered dietitian and the exercise therapist. The purpose of the whole program is to ensure that an individual is treated as holistically as possible so that we can deal with the complications of this disease manifestation. The treatment is more in terms of a health propagation and prevention of the disease process so that the early onset manifestations are prevented. In fact, nowadays, because of this disease pandemic, we get children as young as 12 to 13 years of age who suffer from the manifestations of type 2 diabetes. And if it is not controlled, it leads to a lifetime of problems and medications. My philosophy of treating patients is that we are able to deal with them in a healthy and holistic way and allow them to lead a life which is worthy, which is full of activity, which allows them to enjoy their life to the fullest and to grow as a responsible and a caring individual. At the same time, to continue to take all their treatment modalities seriously to prevent the long-term complications of the disease process. We at Faith Clinic believe that we need to deal with our patients in a completely holistic and empathetic manner so that we can reach out to our patients and they can put their faith in faith and they can walk with faith in their entire lifetime to come. Adolescent medicine is a line which is fraught with challenges because of that age in which children are growing through their teens, which are the turbulent years of life, but they're also one of the most wonderful and the beautiful years of life. Our job and our philosophy at Faith Clinic is to help these teens go through those turbulent years with a lot of empathy, love, affection, and at the same time take care of the medical problems, which allows them to develop their self-confidence and esteem and face the world ready to start their life at a young age. Adolescent vaccinations are one of the most important factors which need to be covered during adolescence, because it leads to a prevention of a lot of diseases which can come up in the later in life. Adolescent vaccination is a part of the vaccination program which needs to be covered during adolescent periods so as to prevent a number of diseases occurring in the adulthood. The common vaccinations which are to be covered during this period include the Tdap, cervical vaccine, cervical cancer vaccine, hepatitis A and hepatitis B if not have been covered, the second dose of MMR, the second dose of chickenpox, typhoid vaccine every 3 yearly, as well as the yearly influenza vaccine. The meningococcal vaccine also is very important. It is also important that any children or students who are traveling abroad should be vaccinated so as to protect them from the diseases of that country itself. Children traveling, adolescents traveling to USA and Europe need to be covered by the vaccination program of their universities. We at Faith Clinic provide all the vaccination programs which are available and ensure that the children and the adolescents are covered during their stay in the country where they have gone for their academics.